Most people think space is completely silent, but NASA actually recorded the sound of a black hole, and it's the most haunting thing you'll ever hear. In the vacuum of space, sound waves can't travel, but that doesn't mean there's no energy. NASA used a technique called sonification to turn data from the Perseus galaxy cluster into sound. What they found sounds like a deep, ghostly moan coming from the darkness. Imagine floating in total isolation, billions of light years from home, while the universe literally groans around you. Even weirder, Venus has lightning, Jupiter has massive storms twice, the size of Earth, and Saturn's rings are constantly whistling. Space isn't empty. It's a symphony of chaos that we are just beginning to hear. Are you brave enough to listen?